everyone. Today we're at the Antelope Valley Poppy Reserve. This is an hour drive north of Los Angeles, California. We are here in late March of 2022. We didn't get a lot of rain this past season, so it's a little bit drier than normal. However, there are still a lot of poppies and some spectacular wildflowers that we will be viewing. Let's get started. Please note the best time for wildflower viewing in Southern California is from March through May. The first flower you will encounter are these fiddlenecks. Their stems curl back like the head of a fiddle. They are also bristly with little yellow flowers. Make sure to stick to the trails and don't touch any of the flowers. Some of them can cause an allergic reaction. You will also see the poppies sprinkled in with these carpets of yellow little flowers. These are called common goldfields. These little white flowers sprinkled in among the poppies are called sagebrush combseed. Here is a close-up of the California poppy. In 1890, the California Floral Society voted to make this poppy the official state flower, beating out the mariposa lily and the matalija poppy. What was your favorite one?
The one that you haven't mentioned yet, which is blue dick.
Okay.
I
know, a strange name, but it's pretty flower. And again, random in the middle. You'll just all of a sudden see a blue flower in the middle of the orange. It's very pretty. They're sparse though.
It's a really nice color palette.
Yeah. The blue and orange.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, blue orange like cools with orange kind of popping out.
Yeah.
It's like watercolor.
Watercolors, yeah, from afar, right? Kind of painterly effect. This is Daniel's favorite wildflower. These wildflowers were prized by the Native Americans for their carbohydrate-rich bulb. Wildlife also love eating them. So look at this wildflower. It looks like a little star of clusters. Isn't that pretty? It's the biggest one I've seen. Oh my god, there's tons of it here! I just found a field of it. Okay, this is my new favorite wildflower. Lacy Cecilia. How pretty is that? Not only is this flower absolutely gorgeous, it is also highly beneficial for pollinators. Bees and insects love this plant. It is also used in agriculture and also used as a cover crop. Look at this Cecilia. So I love this wildflower. I want to know, what is your favorite wildflower and why? Leave me a comment below. Got to the top of the loop trail, we could see all the peaks in the surrounding valley. And then we also saw this beautiful butterfly. Yes, meditative for sure.
Yeah.
A nice quiet experience. We're hearing a lot of these beautiful larks. I've never heard them before. We can't see them, but we can hear them. And it's beautiful, beautiful music. Right? It's like a natural soundtrack.
The wind as well.
And the wind. It's very windy here, but beautiful and warm. Dry heat. I hope you enjoyed our wildflower walk. If you love wildflowers and nature, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the like button. More videos coming soon.